Hello and welcome back to Xirosoft. Today I will show you how to draw a line in GIMP. So let's get us started. Start by opening GIMP and import the image you want to work with. Locate the toolbox and select the brush tool from the Tools panel. Before drawing the line, adjust the brush settings such as size, hardness, and color from the options in the Tool Settings panel at the bottom of the window. Click at the starting point of the line, hold down the left mouse button, and drag the cursor to the end point. Release the mouse button to create the line. For perfectly horizontal, vertical, or 45-degree angles lines, click once at the starting point, hold Shift, and click at the end point. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Xirosoft. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.